everyone, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make stickers without a sticker machine or sticker paper, which is so amazing. If you aren't subscribed, definitely do not forget to subscribe because you are not going to want to miss out any of my upcoming videos. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. So to start off with these DIY stickers, you will need to print out some really cute images. I got things such as really cute gems and a really cute flamingo. You will also be needing some clear packaging tape along with some scissors. I would recommend using smaller scissors because they are easier to cut with, some wax paper, and a gift card or something flat that you can use. So to start off this DIY, I'm going to start out with my printables and I'm just going to cut them out, but you're going to want to leave a border around your image just like a real sticker would have. So as you can see, I'm leaving a small border around all of my images. Now as you can see, I have all of my images cut out and they are already looking so cute. I can't wait to finish this DIY and use all of my stickers. But for the next step, you're going to need some wax paper and your packaging tape. So just lay your wax paper on a flat surface and take a strip of the packaging tape and just place it onto the wax paper and cut it so that it will fit the size of the wax paper. And then you're going to want to get your gift card or whatever card you're going to use and flatten out the tape so that there won't be any air bubbles. This will help a lot, so I would really recommend doing this. So I'm going to get a second piece of tape and I'm going to place it right overlapping the first piece just by a little. And I'm doing this because you want the sheet of tape to fit your sticker so that it won't be too small. You want your sticker to be like covered in the tape from the top to the bottom. So yeah, I don't really know if that makes sense. This is really confusing to explain, but hopefully it does. Next up, you're going to want to place your images onto the layer of tape, and then you're going to want to cover it with another layer of tape. So I'm going to use 2 strips of tape to fully cover the stickers, and then I'm just going to go in with my gift card and flatten out the tape so that there won't be any air bubbles left. And after that, you're going to want to cut out your sticker from the wax paper, and you're going to want to leave a border around the entire sticker itself when cutting the stickers out. And that is how you make your own stickers without a sticker machine or sticker paper. As you can see, it's so easy and you can literally make any type of sticker that you want. Now I'm just going to get this really cute like card and put one of the stickers on top, and as you guys can see, it's going to turn out really cute, and I would recommend this as like a gift. And you could literally make a card for anyone using these stickers, or you could use these stickers to put on your notebook. They're waterproof too, which is really cool. And now I'm just gonna get this really cute coffee sticker and put it on this card because I just love the idea of like these cards and stickers. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you are not already subscribed because we are so close to 2,000 subscribers. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!